Greeting to the Honorable Moderator present at today's event and to my classmates from opposition party. Today our topic of debate competition is about online class. I and my team stand for it. As the second speaker of my team, I present my speech before you. Thank you for your good advice, but I don't agree with you because a student can, if a student don't understand something in online class, a student can see that part again, but it's not possible in offline class. In offline class, a student don't can do it. Now many of us may be thinking that a student can ask teacher, but they don't think that many students are afraid to ask teacher. Online education is the form of learning that happen on internet. But how advanced online education come to the scene is not new. Online education is not new, so it got popularity after COVID-19 pandemic. It came as a boon and the whole world was clueless about the present and future of learning. It is a flexible teaching method where virtual conference software help teacher and student interactively. If you are a teacher, grow up a cup of tea, sit down and start teaching your student, and if you are a student, grow up your mobile phone or laptop and start learning. Location is never a problem in online class. All you need a high-speed internet connection. You can learn online. You can learn from online anytime, anywhere.
Okay, that's it. So now you have to finish your speech within 10 seconds. Please, within 10 seconds, can you finish your speech?